Hello, it's Jessie. I'm at the Garrett Family Preserve at Cape Island Creek. It offers 4 miles of grassy trails. I personally recommend wearing some long pants and a long shirt just in case there's any kind of ticks or anything in the area. But it's got wide expanses of nature where you can see a lot of birds. I came across some turtles as well. And there's an area, if you cut off into kind of like the marshy area, where you can see a bunch of tiny little crabs. In a lot of ways, it's as if you're walking through a maze because there's offshoots of different trails. I use an app called All Trails to kind of navigate around a little bit better. And then there's spots throughout the trail that are kind of like hidden gems that remind you of something like the Secret Garden. For example, there's this one here which offers great shade, and you could have a picnic lunch here or chill out for a couple minutes. Even if you're a flower lover, I think that you'll find it interesting because there's a variety of natural flowers to the area. And for example, like here, this one, I actually know what this one is because my grandmother used to like them. These are called Queen Anne's lace. You can also keep your eye out for quotes on these little signs. For example, when we try to pick out anything by itself, we find it hitched to everything else in the universe. John Muir. All that is gold does not glitter. Not all those who wander are lost. The old that is strong does not wither. Deep roots are not reached by the frost. J.R.R. Tolkien. One thing that's really cool along the trail is some beekeeper hive boxes. I don't know if that's actually how you call it. And you can see them up close if you're brave or if you are not afraid of bees. Now I know you might be like, ew Jess, why are you showing that on camera? But one of the things I learned on a nature tour in Arizona was something called scat. It's an animal's natural excrement, and you can keep an eye out for a certain type of animal if you can figure out what kind of diet it had. So you can see this one's filled with a lot of berry seeds or something, and you kind of either track or learn to look for some kind of animal that might have been on this trail. In this case, we can see that this might have been some sort of hairball or something that was left over. So I continued along the trail, and here's another one, which means something's coming this direction. Hey, look it. We came across some berries. Do you think that has anything to do with the scat that we found? Maybe, maybe not.